Hello, my name is Wendy Suto, and I'm the President and CEO of SearchCircus.com, a natural search engine optimization and social media marketing firm based in Cleveland, Ohio. Today I'd like to talk to you for a few minutes about the new background of Google Analytics and how it measures traffic to your website. So first of all, in order to get to Google Analytics, it's really simple. You can either go to google.com and search the words Google Analytics in their search bar, and it'll be the #1 spot that comes up. And you may also go to www.google.com/analytics. So once we're here, we're actually going to sign into this account. So I'll click the sign in button right here, and I'm going to go into one of my clients' accounts. I need to enter in an email address and a password and click the sign in blue button. Once I log into the site, up will show up the exact analytic codes you want for the exact sites. You may have multiple websites listed here as well. So this account will just select the blue link. Once we do that, we click on the company name itself. And there's a lot of different types of reporting here, the home button, but we're going to focus on standard reporting. This is a basic standard overview. So we've got to make sure your button's on standard reporting. The first thing you're going to see is there's a lot of different reports here broken up by categories and subcategories. And let me show you all about it. The account name will be on the upper right hand corner right here. And you'll be able to sign out right at the top right hand corner. First you're going to come up to is the overview, which is right here. Visitors Overview it is called. Now what I like to do when I go to all these, I'm not going to show you every single report, but instead what I'm going to do is show you the ones that we would focus on for one of our clients' accounts in order to measure how many traffic and hits and keywords and which search engines they use to come to a particular website. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to set the date. I always like to go back to the last whole date, the whole month. So in here you can do last month, and you hit the apply button. And you can also do by one day, or by a week, or by a month, or you can go several months back as well. Visitors Overview. You can see that there's a nice pie chart right here. Gives you how many are brand new visitors that month and how many are returning visitors, marked in green and blue. Gives you a breakdown of how many total visits there were. Of the total visits, how many were unique, meaning first-time visits to the website in the month of April 2012. And of all those 247 visitors, it tells you how many total pages they viewed. And on average, each visitor viewed 6.28 pages. And I stayed an average of 3.4 minutes. And you always want to have a bounce rate of less than 60%. It's typically the industry standard, no matter what industry you're in. Tells you, and as it should be, the majority of your language should be English. Mostly the country should be United States. Tells you about browser, operating systems, and mobile, etc. You can view the full report here. This is just an overview. When you go to overview, you're going to click on from there, demographics, and then location. Is the next one you're going to want to look at. And again, the last given date. When you go there, you're going to see that mostly United States visits came from 233 visits in the last month. Again, it gives you a more further detail of which countries and how many each visits, how many pages from those visitors per visit, how long they stayed per visit, and a bounce rate should again be under 60%. So that's what the demographics look like. Under location, overview, demographics, location. Okay, now we're going to go on down to traffic sources right here, main category, and I'm going to go to overview. Okay, again, I want to look at the last month, traffic visitors sources overview. Again, there's a nice pie chart. Tells you, you can go to each day and tells you how many visits you got For example, Monday, April 9th, 2012, you got 18 visits. Friday, April 20th, 16 visits, and so on and so forth. Other breakdown of visitors tells you how much came from the search engines. These are all search engines right here, 42.51%. Which one came from referral traffic? This is other links, people clicking on other links outside of this website, clicking to your website from other links. And direct traffic are those that already knew the company name and typed it into the search engine. So for example, here's where you're going to also find in the exact same place the keywords they used in order to come here. This is a sample keyword report. If I want to view the full report, I can show rows, let's say all 100. It tells me the most popular, widely used keywords in Google, Bing, and Yahoo, and which keywords they typed in, and how many of those typed it in. For example, one of the top keywords is computer repair Cleveland, and you got 4 visits that month. For example, North Wales computer repair, 4 visits. So this gives you all the keyword phrases that people already search for exactly in a website to find this company's website. So lots of different keywords. From overview, we're going to go to search, sources, all traffic. When you click on all traffic under sources, it will then give you all the different ways in which somebody found this particular website through other links, and how many came from those links. Direct means they bookmarked it or favorited it, or it came when they directly typed in the website address into the address bar. How many came from Google? Organic means the main organic left-hand side versus those paid sponsored links on the right-hand side. Facebook, Yahoo, etc., etc. Okay, when you go to search, it gives you whether it's organic or paid. So it tells you how many came from organic search engines as well. We're going to come on down to content. Under content, we're going to go to overview, and from overview, in the last month, all the pages of the website and how many times they're viewed, over 1,500 times in the last month. Of those 1,500, how many were unique, meaning the first time they were listed on here. Average time on each page, bounce rate again should be under 60%. And here's some example pages right here and how popular they were. How many page views, meaning how many total views to each page of the website. And you can click on here at the bottom to see the report again. Under site search, we can go to several pages, one called search terms. So let's click on search terms. Again, this is under content, site search, search terms. There's a brand new section called in-page analytics. This tells you on each page where the eye was drawn on each page of this person's website and how many clicks it got to that section. So you can see all these different percentages. It's a brand new one, and this is really nice. And as you can see, this is exactly a basics of Google Analytics. Thank you and have a wonderful day.